Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a very healthy puff puff, popularly known as puff puff. So I'll be making carrot puff puff with wheat flour. It is so delicious you won't believe it. I'm gonna leave the list of the ingredients in the description box. So I'm going to start by peeling and grating my carrots. The purpose of grating the carrot is to make it easier on my blender because I'm trying to juice the carrots. If you have a heavy duty blender, you could cut yours into chunks, or you could use a juicer to juice your carrots if you have one. If you are new to my channel or you are a returning viewer and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I post a video. Like and share the video if you enjoy what you see. Thank you. Because I'm going to be using the carrot juice to make the puff puff, I'm going to add 2 cups of warm water to blend the carrots. Carrots are not juicy, so the only way to extract the juice from the carrot is to add a lot of water if you are using a blender. But if you are using a juicer, you don't need to add water. And that means you have to juice more carrots. When you are done blending the carrot, your puree should look like this. I'm going to strain the puree with a fine mesh sifter. You could also use chiffon fabric or anything that can help you separate the juice from the fiber. Though fiber is a very important component of our diet, it helps our digestive system and in the lowering of cholesterol. But for this recipe, the carrot fiber affects the outcome of the final product. It makes the dough heavier and less stretchy after proofing, and even makes the puff puff heavier. So I decided to use the juice and wheat flour because wheat flour has a lot of fiber compared to all-purpose flour. But that doesn't mean that you cannot use all-purpose flour for this recipe. For the carrot fiber, you can save it to add it to your stew or smoothie. So this is the carrot juice. Doesn't that look refreshing? So I got about 3 cups of the juice. I'm gonna use this instead of warm water. To warm up the carrot juice, I'm gonna microwave it for 1 minute. Right now, I'm gonna sift 3.5 cups of wheat flour. Add a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, half a cup of sugar, a packet of fast-acting yeast, which is usually 2.25 teaspoons. There is no need to proof this yeast before mixing everything together. Add a teaspoon of salt and mix everything together. After everything is properly combined, add some of the carrot juice and a teaspoon of lemon extract and mix. You could use lemon extract or ground cinnamon. They both go well with carrots. So I'm gonna be adding the juice gradually till I reach the desired consistency. I don't know about you guys, but I find it easier to mix my puff puff dough with my hands. It is way easier, and this makes it a lot easier to beat it a little bit to create some gluten. Special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. You can also follow me on other social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. Thank you. And if you are still watching up to this moment and you like what you see, please like and share the video. And please subscribe if you have not. Thank you. So this is the consistency I want. I am done. and I used only 2 cups of carrot juice. So I'm just going to refrigerate the remaining juice and use it to enjoy my carrot puff puff. Meanwhile, I'm going to cover the dough with a plastic wrap and a napkin and put it in a warm place to proof for about 60 to 90 minutes. 60 minutes later, the dough has doubled in size. I'm just going to deflate it to remove the air. Then I'll prepare the oil to fry the puff puff. This is a perfect, beautiful dough. Doesn't it look pretty? I can't wait to fry it. So I'm gonna pour some oil into a pan to heat it up. The oil should be enough to deep fry the puff puff. After a while, I'm gonna check to see if it is hot enough with a skewer. Once it bubbles, that means it is hot. So it is time to fry the puff puff. I'm gonna be using an ice cream scoop to drop the dough in the oil. There are so many other ways to drop your dough in the oil. I have a video on how to do that, and I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. The title to the link is gonna say how to make puff puff, but in the video you're gonna see the different techniques. Another way to know that you are frying on the right temperature is when the puff puff pops up like a few seconds after it has been dropped in the oil. Right now I'm frying the puff puff on medium heat, and because the dough is orange in color, it's gonna be a little bit difficult to tell when it is done. So I fry the puff puff 4 to 5 minutes before I take them out. So the puff puff is ready. This is how your puff puff should look like when it is done. Remember when I told you that the puff puff should pop up a few seconds after it goes into the oil? But for some reason, some of them are not popping up. That doesn't mean that the oil is not hot enough, because some popped up. But the few that refuse to pop up, you have to go in to unstick them. Oh, I forgot to say this when I was frying the first batch. Always frequently flip your puff puff so that they will have an even color. I want to say this to all returning viewers that enjoy my videos and are not yet subscribed. I think it will be very beneficial for you to subscribe so that you can get an alert whenever I post any video. And once you subscribe, you have to turn on the alert button, that's the bell close to the subscribe button, and select all to get an alert whenever I post a video. So finally we are done frying the puff puff. Don't they look beautiful, bright, beautiful, and healthy? To add a kick to my carrot juice, I'm gonna be adding some lemonade. It is gonna go well with my puff puff because they have similar flavors, carrot and lemon. It's gonna be very refreshing. Look at this delicious goodness. It has a very bright, enticing color. It looks healthy to me, and anybody that loves puff puff would want a bite. So the next time you want to make your puff puff, consider making a healthy version that is loaded with lots of nutrients for you and your family, and it is equally delicious. And don't forget to give this recipe a try. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Please don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you. So thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.